Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Today we will be making a price prediction for Labi coin together. Well, the market is really strange right now, guys. So we shared updates instantly in our Telegram group. Lab coin, which went up to $7.70, has now experienced an incredible decline and they can't stop this fallback, guys. It almost returned to the point where it started in a very short period of time. Well, this pump that started at 8.44 was brought back down in about 10 to 15 minutes. And right now, this coin is heading towards the bottom, guys. There are incredible amounts of selling going on. We are also currently in this coin. We didn't take too much risk. We entered around here. We also entered from the top on a different exchange, friends, and made significant profits. Right now, we are also sharing updates instantly in our Telegram group, and we are getting close to the take profit point, guys. Right now, it has broken through many levels. Because it has broken through so many levels, friends, they can't stop it at the moment. So if it quickly breaks through here as well and drops below 5.25, most likely this coin will go even lower than before. There is a chance it might go back up a bit due to some manipulation, but I think the maximum it could reach would be 5.65. None of this is investment advice in any way. Right now, you can see my profit here in real time. I have a profit of nearly 40%. I started the video in real time and I'm sharing it with you, friends. So, what do you think? Why did this lab coin rise and fall so quickly within 15 minutes? We're looking at the news on the coin market side and people are saying that this is manipulation and that whales are involved. There are a lot of different posts about lab and it's honestly a bit hard to believe. What do you think about lab? Do you think this coin will drop even further? If you look at it on TradingView right now, since they slammed it down, it's sliding down the stairs in an incredible way, and the slide is still continuing at the moment. This is the 5-minute chart, guys. For 5 minutes, every candle is showing red going downward. Let's take a look at the 1-minute chart. On the 1-minute chart as well, as you can see, there was a sudden spike upwards due to instant buying reaching the peak, and then it's been sell, 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 and here a bit of taking profit was recommended on the TradingView we opened. What do you think? Will LAB continue to fall further, or is there a chance it might recover a bit? For instant updates like these, make sure to follow our Telegram group, friends. We continue to share updates there. By the way, we're making our trades on MEXC. On MEXC, you can trade with very low fees and with zero commission by registering through the link in the description. In the trade we just made with LabCoin, we didn't pay any commission. As you can see, it says zero fee, and right now, as you can see, it's approaching the area we set. I don't know if it will break through this wall, but right now there's an incredible drop, an incredible panic sell, and it looks like this decline will continue. What do you all think? Let's meet in the comments. That's all for the video, friends. So remember, crypto involves risk. There is absolutely no investment advice in this video. See you in the next videos. Take good care of yourselves and goodbye.